Hi, Will. So basically, this is still my setup here. So I have four encoders and one decoder and an 8-port switch. Then back to my PC here. So on my PC, basically right now I'm using the same hacker software which as you used. So I will just shoot you about the guide which I wrote here. This is the PC Manager tool. So on the PC Manager tool, and basically you also can see like the devices which I have now, and we have the four encoders, and the 51, 52, 50, 53, and 54 is the decoder. Okay, and this is the menu guide which I wrote for the same. So the first one is about set the ID command. So this is the command itself. But use this command, basically, what we need to do, we need to only can do is only for the specific decoder or the encoder. We cannot use the multicast. So here, what we need to do is I'm going to show you here. So I'm going to change this. It's the decoder ID. Right now is the 50, right? So this is the decoder. And if I'm going to change the decoder ID, and the first step we need to make sure we're using the decoder IP right here. So it's 192.168.0.54, and the port number is going to be 6004. Okay, so we can click to listen. Okay, so it's already connected. So we have the commands here. So let's see how we can change to, right now is actually still 50, right? This is the ID. We can search again. Right, 50. And now I'm just going to change it to ID, change it to 10. So we can click to send. Right, it's message respond as OK. And we can, on the PC Manager, we can search again. So the decoder ID, we already have it changed to 10. Previously we have it as 50. So now I'm just going to have it changed back again as 50. So 50, click to send, response OK. Then back to the PC software again. So we already have the ID changed back to the 50. So this is about how we change the ID. It's the same thing for us to change the for the other encoder as well. So here I'm not going, I will not going to show you about this the step. And then this one about the change the ID. And so here we showed about like UDP multicast IP address. This cannot be changed. So basically this one is about like for us to multicast, change like the source to decoders, like we cannot. So on the UDP commands here, software here, we need to change to this multicast IP address. So we cannot use the specific IP, right? And the port number is 8804. Then we click to listen, right? Okay. And for the commands, and then we can have like we have one commands here which show like the clear windows. So this one is mainly about like, because this one is can support like the multi-viewer, or you can support like as a full screen. So when you like the multi-view on the screen, when you want back to the full screen, so we will need to send this command first. Okay, so I will just like send this command. Clear command, clear window. Then we send the commands. Let's also check on the screen. Right, the screen already have the window clear. And then we have other commands is about like, okay, switch the encoder 50 to the decoder 54. But here on the commands part, we don't use the so the out list the ID here, we need to use the decoder ID. We cannot use the ID encoder because for testing, we saw you use the decoder. So now I'm just going to use this one. Okay. Change it to the source one. Right, so we already got a window showing up. And then the same thing, change to different source. We just change the source IP address here. So the device ID is still the same. And another one is about like the change the audio switching. So it's the same. So we just change the commands here from open source, change to open audio. And then other part is going to be about the code view. Code view is pretty much just like we need to open a specific window on the screen. So now I'm just going to have the same thing. We need to have this window cleared first. So I will clear the window first. So clear window. And then we can open a window now. So what I'm going to do is just open first window, which is the window 1. So we have the size, right? It's the window size, and this is the ID one. Okay. I'll use this one. Check it out how it works. Right, so now we have a first window. The window size is the window position, and the height is actually we can see from here, right? So it's 960 and then 540. And then we can open the second window, and we can use the same source, we can use a different source. So this one I'm just going to use the from the source 2, 51. Send the second command. Right. So we got the second window showing up. So if you want to do like a code view, so you have to open the window like these 4 commands one by one to open the windows. Okay. And okay. So this one is pretty much about like sending the UDP commands, which is able for us to do the source switching or open the window or change the ID and also clear the windows. Okay, thank you.